Hola amigo, today we will talk about the days of the week. Yesterday I made a video in which the voice was very low. I am so sorry as I am new to make the videos and sometime I do mistake. I got some feedback that you should use mic, so my dear friends, I am using mic, but maybe God has not given me that big mic. I cannot speak so loud, but I will try to speak so that you can understand it. So that's why I'm making this video again. So today we will learn how to say days of the week. So lunes is Monday, martes is Tuesday, martes, martes, martes is Tuesday, miércoles is Wednesday, jueves is Thursday, and then viernes is Friday. I hope you are able to get my voice now. Viernes, sábado is Saturday, and domingo is Sunday. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay, and if you want to say Monday, Monday in plural form or any of the days of the week in plural form, you just add los and add s in the end. But if s is already there, then no need to add s. Los lunes, los martes, los miércoles, los jueves, los viernes, los sábados. S is not there, so I am adding s. Los domingos, s is not there, so I am adding s. So how do we say yesterday, day before yesterday, day after tomorrow, etc.? Then HOY, OA. This is called OA. OA. OA means H is silent in Spanish. OA is today, as I explained. Ayer, yesterday. Yesterday. Ayer, yesterday. Mañana, tomorrow. Anteayer. Anteayer. Ante means before. Then day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. Then pasado mañana. Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. I will give some example to explain this and we will revise it like this. So, lunes, Monday, martes, Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes, Friday, sábado, Saturday, domingo, Sunday. So, these are the days of the week. They all are, when you want to write it in plural, means then we just add s in the end, okay, and it will become plural like los lunes. But condition is that the s, if s is already there, for example in lunes, martes, miércoles and jueves, viernes, s is already there, then we will not add s. We will just say los lunes, los martes, los miércoles, los jueves, los viernes. But in case of sábados and domingos, in case of sábado and domingo, we will add s in the end when we are saying los domingos, los sábados. So now we will discuss few examples. For example, how we say about days. So if somebody is asking, ¿qué día es hoy? What is the day today? OA is today. Okay, then you can say, for example, today is Wednesday. I can say hoy es miércoles. Today is Wednesday. Remember the verb ser. We are describing something what is today. So today is Wednesday. So then if somebody is asking ¿Qué día es mañana? Then mañana is tomorrow. Okay. For tomorrow we use mañana. Mañana es jueves. Mañana es jueves. Then ayer. Ayer is yesterday. Okay. And then anteayer. Anteayer. If somebody is asking ¿Qué día fue ayer? Okay, then ayer fue martes. Now S is for is and fue is was. This is past of ser. Ser. Remember verbo ser? This is past. Okay. Anteayer. Day before yesterday. Anteayer fue lunes. Then day after tomorrow. Pasado mañana es viernes. Whatever day is there. Day after tomorrow. So in this way you can tell today, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday and day after tomorrow. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. If you have any issue with my videos, means if voice is not coming or some content is missing or we can add something more in the video, you please feel free to send me a message or you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much for few of my friends and subscribers who gave me immediate feedback that your voice is not there in the video, and I decided to make the video again. I hope this time I am able to explain it properly. I try to speak it little loudly so that you can hear it. So this time it will be audible and visible also. I will take care of these things in my all the videos. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback.